Hello, it's Aunty Bev from Learn with Aunty Bev. Recently, I've discovered a beautiful forest reserve called the Kuala Selangor Nature Park, where it houses a very beautiful and very mysterious mangrove forest. What is a mangrove forest? Want to learn more? Join me. Let's go! A mangrove forest is a unique ecosystem where there are lots of small little trees growing in coastal saline areas and brackish water. This is how a mangrove tree looks like over here. This is a mangrove tree. The bark is actually really strong. It goes all the way down. Okay. And there are lots of small little tiny roots growing over here. You see that? Not really tiny, but there are small little roots growing on. So this is what makes a mangrove tree very unique. Okay. Over here you can see this is the flower of the mangrove seed. This is how it grows, and when it blooms, it becomes like this, a mangrove seed over here. So let me show you one over here. This is how a mangrove seed looks like, right? When it's ready to fall, it will drop down, okay, and it will drop all the way down into the soil, and that's how a mangrove tree grows. As the mangrove tree grows on coastal saline areas and brackish water, it gets a mixture of both fresh and salt water. So how does it help for the tree to grow? This mangrove seed over here, I broke it into two. You can see that it's got a lot of tiny little hairs that helps to filter out the salt water and takes in the fresh water, and that's how it grows to become a mangrove tree. Look at what I found. It's a hermit crab. A hermit crab is a type of crustacean that have long spirally curved abdomen, which are really soft and very fragile. And that's the reason why they need to run into any empty seashells in order to protect themselves. Let's have a look at how a hermit crab really looks like. Can you see the inside of it? It's hidden inside the shell. Hermit crabs are usually nocturnal, meaning they sleep during the daytime and they're usually only active during the nighttime. A mangrove forest is a very important ecosystem because A, it's a habitat for many different types of animals such as the birds, insects, and marine life. And B, it's a very important coastal protection for villagers that live around the coastal areas. It protects them from natural disasters such as tsunami and major floods. Check out this mudskipper. Oh, it's escaping. Where are you going? Going on to another tree. Mudskipper is actually a type of fish that actually skips along water and mud. And they're really fast sometimes as well. Besides the mudskipper, another type of marine life that can be found inside a mangrove forest is the mangrove crabs. This one is known as the mud crab. Isn't it huge? And there are a few more just sitting right there. Can you see? There are many different species of mangrove crabs, and mud crabs is one of them. This area houses a lot of fiddler crabs. What are fiddler crabs? These are colorful small little crabs that actually only has a lifespan of around 2 to 3 years. See these little holes that you can find in the mangrove swamp? These are the home of the crabs, where they'll dig and go inside and shelter themselves. Let's see if we can find some fiddler crabs. Spotted one small, tiny little ones. The rest are just so afraid to come out. Let's see if we can go some more and explore. Come on, Crabby, come out. Oh, saw some really pink, pretty ones. Can you see that? There's another one over there. Oh, there's a lot more over that side. Found some fiddler crab. Have a look over here. Look at that. So colorful, right? Can you see that there are some male and female ones? The male one over here has got one large claw, whereas the female one over here has got small claws, just like that. Oop, it's moving. This one is not moving. Oops, going off. Move, Crabby, move. Oh, there you go. This is the female one. It's quite big. Let's put it back. There's one inside here as well. Going to the crab hole. This is the mangrove nursery area inside Kuala Selangor Nature Park, whereby they take the seeds of the mangrove tree, plant it, make it grow, and then replant it inside the mangrove forest. Come and have a look. Look at all the seedlings over there. So all the seedlings of the mangrove trees. And then once it's ready, oh look at that big huge one over there. That is ready to be planted inside the mangrove forest. Ooh, look who I stumbled upon. A herd of cows grazing the grass. Is it lunchtime, cows? Happy feeding! That's the end of our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed the adventure inside a mangrove forest. For more videos from Learn with Aunty Bev, click on the subscribe button down below. See you next time!